Hello friends, welcome back. Carolina here. I will be showing you today how to make this coin holder or quarter holder for people that maybe shop at Aldi's, or something cute that you can maybe make somebody happy and maybe leave around town. Like I like to do these and put it where you had to put a quarter to feed the fish or something, and just to bring somebody a smile. And I'll show you how to make this. This one I add a little puffy flower. You can find it in the link how to make the puffy flower also. I'll link it in there. But you see, this is what I will show you how to make, okay? You see how you can keep your quarter in there and pull the string and it will stay there secure. It won't go anywhere. And you can clip it on your purse, wallet, or anywhere. Anyways, I'll show you how to make this. So for that, I will need a 3.5 millimeter hook. I'm gonna be using this yarn, and I'll show you the exact brand that I'm using. This is the one that I used. Here, let me show you better there. All right, you can pause it. And okay, so we are basically going to do 2 rounds like this. Okay, 2 circles, and that will hold our coin. All right, so let's begin. Let's see, we're gonna make a magic loop. So, a magic loop, we're gonna insert our hook and slip stitch one here, and we are going to do 10 single crochet around our loop. Okay, 10 of them. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are going to pull the string, make it tighter, and we are going to close it with a slip stitch. Alright, now we are going to make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains, and hope you can see these. Okay, and we are going to do a double crochet in the next chain. 1, 2, chain 1, and double crochet in the next chain, chain 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, and repeat all the way the same. Chain 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, double crochet in the next. We should have one more, chain 1, double crochet in here, chain 1, and double crochet in this one. Oh, wait a minute. No, I think that's the end of our loop here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we need one more. I should have 11. Chain 1, and now we're closing on the 3rd chain that we did in the beginning. I'm gonna close with a slip stitch here, and you'll have like a little wheel. You see that? It's like a little wheel. Now we're gonna do chain 1. Actually, now we're gonna do, we can do this or this piece. So we're gonna do this piece, and we're gonna make a chain 7. Let's see if with this one you can see better. Yeah, I think the light works better with this one. So we're gonna make this piece. See this? the little loop in there, so we're gonna do 7, chain 7. So we already did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See that? And we're going to insert our hook in the same beginning where we started our chains. Insert and pull through all the way, and with a slip stitch we have our little hook there, little loop, not hook, sorry, my English is not the best. Okay, now what we're gonna do is in the middle of these spaces we're gonna do 2 single crochet and then chain 1, 2 single crochet, chain 1. I'll show you. So 1 and 2 single crochet, chain 1 for that stick here, 2 single crochets, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the middle, chain 1, oops, oh no, chain 1, 2 single crochet, 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 chain 1, and 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet. Almost done. You'll see how easy this project is. I'm addicted to this. I love leaving it around for people, and it's just nice to do it to somebody, make happy. Let's see. Okay, now we come to the last, and what I like to do here is just pull my string a little, and I can close it here. You can close it here. It's a preference, okay? But it seems to me that it leaves a little more cleaner look if you see I leave the loop there and I turn around and then I insert my hook here, see? And this, I go here, insert the hook and grab this over here and pull it through in the back. You see how it looks better? I don't know, maybe it's just me. It seems to me that looks better. Pull. And that's our first piece. See? And now we're gonna make another one just like this, exactly the same steps, but okay, let me cut this. And you know how to clean this. Just gonna make a little knot and then hide it behind. Okay. And so we're gonna do another one just like this, but with a longer string, just like this. So a duplicate of these, except that these will be longer. Okay, so let's make another one like that with this. Yeah. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna come back to when I'm done with the second piece, okay? Okay, I'm back and I have my 2 pieces. This was just identical to that, except that I made a longer chain in here. I did 22 in this case, 22 chain. And what we're gonna do now, I already hid all the excess yarn. You can just heat it in between the chains here, you know that. Anyhow, now that we have these 2 pieces, we're gonna use just a regular needle to connect these 2 pieces, and this is how it's gonna look like. Let me put my name. We're gonna insert these here, and you see, that's what we want. We're gonna be stitching, leaving just a little bit of a space for a quarter to insert. Okay, just like this, you see? This is exactly what we're gonna do. And now that you have the 2 pieces still separated, this is the best time to add an embellishment, you can add a button, just a simple button, or you can add some puffy flower or a bead or embroider something. It's up to you. I will show you how I connect this. So you look for the best. I'm gonna use this side. Look for the best side, and I'm gonna start connecting from here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert my just a regular needle somewhere so that it'll be hidden. The knot will be hidden. You see that knot? So I don't want that to be seen. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna navigate. If you want to say navigate, I don't know. I'm gonna go here, maybe around this. So I'm gonna leave like 3 chain there. I'll go all the way there. And that's where I'm gonna start sewing these 2 pieces together. Okay, so I will just go here, grab the next piece here. See, and just the regular sewing. There's nothing new here. Just sew these 2 pieces together all the way. So I'll just show you a little bit. You can follow along, or you can just speed up. The magic of YouTube, huh? You can speed up and just put me on mute if you want. I'm blabbing. Oh, you don't have to listen to me. You can just look. I would really love to hear if you made this project. So leave a comment. I would love to hear. Also subscribe. That will make me think that you like the content and I can make more. I have lots of ideas and just easy projects. I don't really get into complicated projects because usually it takes time, and work full time and don't have a ton of time. But just little things, and it's so relaxing. Crochet is so relaxing to me. I don't know what you think. Okay, so we come all the way here, and you can reinforce and go back again. I like to do that to just keep it more secure. Just go back a few, or you can go back all the way if you want to. So I like to go back all the way just to make it more safe and secure so you won't lose that little coin. Alright, go all the way up. This project is so fun to make, so easy. And it just tickles me to think that somebody is gonna find it. I put it in this little container. See, like this? A clear container, and I put a little note in there, a Bible verse, and make someone happy. Anyways, I'm gonna sew all the way here, and that's how it's gonna look like. Just gonna show you here. You already got the idea on this one. And see, there you put your coin there, and it's gonna stay safe and secure. And what a cute little gift to someone, right? So let me know what you think. Hope you like this video, and I hope you have a blessed day, and subscribe and let me know any questions or leave a comment. Have a blessed day. Bye.